Since November 17th, 2019, we've been railfanning up at the Cumberland shops and its deadline. Since our second visit of June 14, 2020, we've been seeing locomotives that either escaped the deadline, some rare power that are in the deadline, and we even caught some rare locomotives before they ended up in the deadline. We've recently done 3 volumes in this, and we've received over 1,000 of you viewers who have recently seen this. But on February 20th, 2021, Hostas House Science Productions would like to present you all our 4th volume of Railfanning at Cumberland. This video would feature many locomotives up at the turntable, and even some locomotives with some interesting history and some rare power too. This video also will show you an active SD50-3 on board a manifest. We'll also get to see the crew of the train, which is also known as Q331, working hard on getting the train ready and shunting the cars together. In addition to this, we'll also get to do a review on all the locomotives that are sitting in the deadline just outside of the main. But we'll also be using clips from Volume 3, and maybe 2. Why? Well, it turns out in a bonus, CSX has been storing some unwanted rolling stock right next to them. As a bonus, we'll also get to see, once again, the CSX's only stealth unit, and even a meet between Q135 and Q136. We'll also get to see some rare locomotives from a far distance, and it might just get luckier, because it all comes down to this on Railfanning at Cumberland, Volume 4.